नमस्ते सभी को, स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों को साथ बात करेंगे ICICI बैंक Q3 नेट प्रॉफिट फॉल्स 4% on year to years 11,318 crore as provision with assist quality stable. ICICI Bank Q3 financial year 2026 financial result. ICICI Bank reported a 4% year-on-year decline in standalone net profit to raise 11,318 crore in Q3 financial year 2023 as higher provision, wasted and earnings even as net interest income rose and asset qualities improved during the quarter. ICICI Bank on Saturday reported a 4% year-on-year decline in standalone net profit for the fiscal third quarter, with down by a sharp rise in provision even as core operating performance remains stable and asset qualities improve. The country's second largest private sector lender posted a standalone net profit raise 11,307.9 crore for the quarter ended December 31, 2025 Q3 financial year 2026, compared with ras 11,792.4 crore in the corresponding quarter last year. Net interest income increased 7.7% year-on-year to ras 21,932 crore in Q3 financial year 26 from ras 20,371 crore in Q3 financial year 2025, while net interest margin was 4.30% in the quarter compared with 4.25% in the year ago period and 4.30% in Q3 financial year 2026. The bank said in the statement filed with the stock exchange ahead of the quarterly result. ICICI Bank share price fell 0.4% on Friday to in ras 1,430 on NSE. The stock has gained over 15% in the last 1 year, outperforming benchmark Nifty 50, which has returned less than 11% during the same period. Operating expenses rose 13.2% year-on-year to ras 11,944 crore from ras 10,552 crore. The bank said this includes ras 145 crore of provision on as an estimated basis pursuant to the new labor codes. Treasury movement also weighs on the quarter, with the bank reporting a treasury loss of ras 157 crore compared with a gain of ras 371 crore in Q3 financial year 2025. Core operating profit grew 6.0% year-on-year to ras 17,513 crore in Q3 financial year 2026, reflecting steady growth in net interest income and free income. Asset quality improved slightly, with the gross NPA ratio at 1.53% as of December 31, 2025, compared with 1.58% as September 30, 2025 and 1.96% on India earlier. The gross NPS fell to ras 23,758 crore from ras 27,445 crore a year ago. Thank you.